Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and get new update video. How to control EV robot car using mobile. Following our feature of robot. First feature headlight. Touch the car front icon to turn on or off light. Second feature backlight. Touch car backside icon to turn on or off light. Third feature horn. Touch speaker icon to turn on or off. Fourth feature speed control. Slide the bar low to high to adjust speed. Following our controlling button of robot. This is forward direction button, press and hold robot, move forward. This is reverse direction button, press and hold robot, move reverse. This is left direction button, press and hold robot, move left side. This is right direction button, press and hold robot, move right side. This is wireless robot connected through Bluetooth technology. In this robot we use ESP32 board for controlling motors and connect with mobile. A rechargeable battery is a type of electrical battery which can be charged, discharged into a load, and recharged many times. In this robot charging facility available, we 12-volt and 1-amp power supply to charge robot battery. Build your EV robot car. This is promotional video of robot. Full robot making video available on our channel. We deliver good and productive video for you. All video available in 3 language: English, Hindi and Marathi. Please subscribe and get video on every Sunday. Thank you and visit to our channel.